Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your profile pop? I'll show you how to design an eye-catching Facebook cover. Today, I'll show you the steps to create and design a professional-looking template. To create a Facebook cover in Canva, click the Create button, then type Facebook cover in the search bar. Select the Facebook cover template from the suggested options to continue. There are several options available, each in different sizes. For this demonstration, select the first option from the list. This will ensure consistency and simplicity as we proceed to the next steps in the process. In the Templates section, you'll see a wide range of options available. Take some time to scroll through the various templates and review their designs. Choose one that looks appealing and fits your needs. Selecting a visually pleasing template will help set the right tone for your project and ensure a professional appearance. To add elements to your design, start by selecting the section you want to update. For this example, we'll add a border. Go to the toolbar and choose the border option. Adjust the thickness and color to match your preference. Let's make it a solid line for clarity. Next, to personalize the design, select Add Graphic and search for Tyrannosaurus. Pick an image you like and drag it onto the canvas. Resize and position it as needed. Finally, review your changes to ensure everything looks correct. These steps let you customize your designs with creative features easily and effectively. Flip this element by selecting it, then clicking the flip icon in the toolbar. This will mirror the object, creating the desired effect. Now, compare the result to the original. The flipped version should match the intended look. Adjust the positioning if necessary to align everything perfectly. Once it's updated, review your design to ensure it looks correct and visually appealing. To add another border, start by selecting the element you want to modify. In the toolbar, locate the border icon and click it. Next, choose Add Border from the drop-down menu. A new border will appear around your selected element. Adjust the border's color, thickness, and style using the available options in the Properties panel. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Apply or OK to save your changes and update your design. After you finish your project, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. In the Share menu, select the Download option. Here, you'll see several file formats available for saving your work. If you're preparing a document for printing or professional sharing, choose PDF Standard to ensure high-quality results. If you need an image version, select PNG for a graphic file you can use in other applications or share digitally. After you pick the format you need, click the Download button. Your file will be saved to your device automatically, ready for printing, emailing, or uploading wherever you need it. This ensures your project is accessible and easy to share as needed. That's it, you've completed the task. Great job moving forward. You just learned how to design a standout Facebook cover photo in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy graphic design tips.